Get ready to listen to some old school reggae music the way you like it. ReggaeTownMusic.com presents DonnyRasta's DJ Roots Rock Reggae, Regga Muffin and Dancehall Rhythms, Mondays through Fridays, from 7 to 9 p.m. This lively program brings together the best of reggae music with a touch of dancehall flair, creating an electrifying atmosphere that is impossible to resist. From classic roots, rock reggae tunes to modern dancehall hits, this radio show has something for everyone to enjoy. With talented DonnyRasta spinning the latest tracks and showcasing his mixing skills, you can be sure that the music will never stop and the party will never end. So grab your good smoke and get ready to experience the good vibes of ReggaeTownMusic.com DJ Roots Rock Reggae, Regga Muffin and Dancehall. It's a nightly reggae jam you won't want to miss.